Say Kentampo, Sompa 90.7 FM so and was so good so wuti and Asantima Tabden and Quadrigina Sompa 93.1 FM so ekute mu awie and some porons and big ye chakre hinke wo mayemo and yakeke and ye baby will be an yeba ye de ababesum and some dosom na poso and ye yedema too far come rasbe film basabasa ye mentimoasia a story of rasbe film yatese dom kumano MPP for ne bria one more ayensem jefun sem ye be call no ni akwakuti nsemu a EPP film rasbe film
anano da santimero bana kokonfo no che Hill Confonochi project Amgo Soda one more yano na Sompa pie ade film aba
awie ye dem be kongu masuam akwada bi a watwe sekan ebrib ni nuanom ewo Accra Academy Senior High School a ene nipa piase wo mano de esi akwada no wo no ye be konum ni akwakobusa de esi yatesa akwala no aposifo akire no na wofo soso no ene na muni ade ade a ye be drum awie na ye dede hu nkomo pa
obo ase kropon mu so na ye wura yatesa Anglo God Ashanti na no adan to kwa chenchen ye si ye wo mo no mabro ni ntem wa bi mu frem wo no nkro no bi akeka wo ho a ananso omo ye ye kire
imani mpedin forso so de esisi wo branche be fiem no wo makasa de afa ho
ara wo sam bia si awo kunso de ba nyame adom amara wo sam no se na nipa ba ko ankwanhia mu wafamu ahwene nkwa
obzanfo weni afoforo pinu a ne akekese ne se kase a ba bia wo bia na wie ye ba ne de aba besom aseda yemfa emanyuma ekoi
Express Group also person to kwanya fabada one through Herbal Center. Yana literary core capsules aba 21st clinical where a sciatica expert afemizo and 5G so yadamuasia and Santa Cloud internet. The fastest internet in the world no. And now we are demo live. Woko no senior dan dan nyina wonya brani adaje kohye no. Aya Sompa 93.1 Facebook and afa YouTube no. Watch me share live. E wo hono ma so and somebody and some for penya kruche dia kogwa ba fontenta fidie no so woko no moya www.sompaonline.com and somebody nyina benya bi no working kan ason for banu sene da ya no de mambo no anaso ya satena sibium akosia aje wokode aboaten anu medi awie mene
ana ya bo amalibi aboga
ensemi
obzanfo yen sheka se na semfemfiri o mayem na asbe fie mu na ensem bi apiepie ho no mo firi na wotwetwe mu no eba se ne nipa pie no a di hu nkomo de efa mo sam de ekoso mraspe fiem na no ya wada de besie ni fiada so mraspe jafo no kotena se esa so afo bi no mo a mampede John Dramani mama bobu mu die no omo tutu o mano no madosudusu num ahwese so mo se fata na ge so maji o matuma mama kwa ye adwuma sa so afo ye gya asem no ho so no na so mo trenetene edodo ho a omo atusa anamo no enumu a eno mo gusu a wo tutu o mano no edu ba bi abotere kokosan ya ede ntokwa ba ye ne teburu ene nkonya efa wiem ene twede e koso no na se woni nsese ye ka kire wo ejina so ema ade achi ni fiada so no amrase ge fiem chia me hene right honorable Aban Kensos man ababen jina so etia amrase ge afo ni binom a se ene mo kase kra ben nan kra de wo mo asuspendi wo mu a na wo twi be mienu yen seda enkohu wo mo so mo edigimo amrase ge fiem ene nam so ama Imani African pedinfo e kire se de speaker ye no omo fi se ne kwa so no na nipa pinu a ena akasade afasa na montu a Speaker of Parliament to you ho ebi che so ni tumi ebi che se mre bie no hono mo a ema speaker ho kwama ni tu sa na mo no a otu ye na mra speakerfo ben nan wa suspend wunum no nanso ora Franklin Kujwa oye pane kwanche for da Imani Africa no e kire se obo Speaker of Parliament abaso na sa na montu ndie office ne kwanso ano no ebeboa ema kema menkebi ene ye mra speaker no ase ne mu nyam e ya asa no etimi asisi ye bio.
He's accepted that authority, and at least for me it's right because it's not and yes, we will do that, but we saw people exchanging groups. Hey, the parliamentarians that one there is wrong. So the optics of it, so I think he was very, very right to go do what he did, and I think whoever wants to contest that can write to him directly and go appeal. Ross Ferro if you see a snake, kill it. Don't go and set up a committee on snakes to determine whether the snake is a cobra or not the cow. So kill it. This one we saw the snake. The snake was coming after us, destroying this. And we saw the people. You kill it. That's all. And later, if you want to find out whether the snake that eventually was killed has 9 brains or 10 brains, well, that's a post-mortem you can do. But we start here, I'm on the side of the speaker. Oh, and they can go ahead and do whatever they want to do. But are they happy about what they did? You know, that's the whole thing. I mean, we all saw what happened. So what's the point? The business was suing. They said, we didn't see you raising a table chair. We didn't see you. No. There's a difference between law and a bit of what we see ourselves. So media and a market job. I saw it and it was not pleasant. That punishment is very, very well within the rights.
Observe nti we ye opene kwanche for that Imani Africa no se president Ura Franklin Kujo ena yete nenken.
Awosio na no wacho no ye Alexander Fanyoma kana dom koma no wayo mo ba no dani. Wano so akasa atro sane yakoso no ene anyan pa. Na nyade dom koma no so betena se ama nipa bem de wo mo se ka dwa nanka no kra de. Anyade beba so. Na so nti dom kase na ye wo madwene. Savetin committee no wase no e wo mo se bibia mu wo mo na do so nti e wo so ba be hunahuna wo mo de a. Dom koma no ntia se ne wo kyena ana de chia aka ho bi. Ye na speaker afa ho ama enipa bem wo ho no ma wo mo dom koma na fa mu a ene won ma twom dibre e de asensen.
And they take the matter seriously. They are not taking it lightly at all. They believe that the diplomatic channels must remain open. But we want to say this with emphasis. This mighty few, this happy few, will not allow itself to be intimidated. We will never surrender to any intimidation. All the issues that are being thrown at us are aimed at cowing us. None of it will work. For the records, this is the first time in the history of our Fourth Republic that a minority in Parliament is allowing a government to form appointed ministers in record time. For emphasis, we've been most cooperative with the NDC majority, but they are bullies. They bully, they intimidate, and if you don't stand strong, they will bully you and will never be bullied. We've supported them. Even some of the nominations come to Parliament within 24-48 hours. We allow vetting to take place. On that third-day incident, we had an agreement. My deputy leader, who represented the caucus interest at the pre-sitting meeting, agreed with the chair of the committee to vet only 3 for the day, and that was the understanding. When we were done with the 3, they asked for 1 more. It changed to 4. When we were done with the 4, they asked for 1 more. As the final thing, we had the 5th person. We vetted them in record time. We were done, only to see that they had paraded 6 more nominees.
I know what you're Alexander Fanyoma Kadamana, so one were they to them Casson and him. So was Rapa, woman or woman for and Casa Madasiano, and in Comosania Bernardo, a bit me about.
The attention of Parliament police. We are also going to beef up our security. The attacks are becoming one too many. We don't feel safe. All these gave rise to our posture on that night. We are law-abiding. MPP is known for its gentlemanliness. We don't go physical, but we had to protest. Protest is part of democracy. It's our rights, far rights. We protested. Mr. Speaker, and all those who are criticizing our conduct of Thursday night should critically watch the tape, the videos. We didn't set out to destroy public property. We didn't set out to disrupt. We protested. The NDC shut the door of engagement on us. They said they were a so-called super majority. So they have majority. Whether we like it or not, they were good. Suffice to state that in all the approvals so far, it's been done because we supported them. They claim they have.
Afeba kofo afeyira Melsi ana mampanyi dada yira John Dramani Mahama betena konya somre bi enei wasanso aba ne Maria tosum yenu ne hwe vet na hodo ekoso se ne dom kuma no womse miye wo mo hyehye esifae.
Ladies and gentlemen of the press, sometimes we don't check the records. I am inviting members of the public. Today, because of ICT, everything is on the internet. People should go and check 1997, the J.H. Mensah vetting, minority leader. They should go to Alban Babin, and there I want to stay there for a while. Honorable Alban Babin, MP for Nadole Kalio, and minority leader, as he then was, grilled Kufuor's nominees for hours. Not a single nominee was spared. In my case, I've only been doing just a few of them. It's not every vetting that I participate. Sometimes I sit in my office and watch. Some of the people, we don't even ask them any questions. The few that we are taking them on, they cannot take it. They should go and check the records of their own minority leader, 2001 and 2005. They should go and watch it. The impatient, intolerant NDC. They will never tolerate the things they do to people. They can't even stand a minute of those. And then they should also go and check the vetting of Harun Idrisu and Muntaka. These were two strong men who tackled our nominees. They should go and watch. They spent hours.
I was sure why I don't come out about no Danny. I warm Russia, but your fear you are Lazanda. Afenyo marking.
Na afenyo amananso anu ache so na wotwe amanfo adwena kwa akosi so se erabi no a wono na eye churchofo ne yefreden se Clark e de ma appointment committee no wono no omomo hunu so NDC ni a womo emo omunhunu omo MPP fo no ene dom kuma no omunhunu se wura no NDC ni ene wo ba ababe ye adwuma se Clark ene ye basa no a ombehu se ne ombesi ne natena ene se ne ombesi ne sanye o mrase beje fie mu no na se obe ye adwuma e wo mrase beje fie mu a womo ehwe ne mu se wo se wadwuma no kɔ pepepe ene se ne fata na se oni NDC fo na ekɔ akɔgro de womo MPP fo no e kama na tiase se omo makwan e masade ne ntoaso biu
I kept complaining to her. Even the chairman of the committee was complaining that, oh, Clark, I thought you've given it to minority leader. He said, oh, I sent one of my boys. And I said, which boy? And these same people she claims she's been sending will say, oh, they've not seen me. Ayariga engaged me. We agreed on a text. And the text was relayed to the clerk to be inserted in the report. I engaged the TRO extensively on the conduct of the clerk. The reason why the video you are seeing nights where she caused a lot of confusion because she had paraded people, so we had realized that even the chairman did not know that she has given out invitation. All right. In the morning, my deputy was the one who sat in the pre-sitting meeting. And she relayed to me that, leader, we've agreed to do 3. At the time we finished the 3, our colleagues reached out to us that they want 1 more to make it 4. We said no problem. When we finished the 4th, they now came and said, oh, they want the transport minister designated because his chiefs were around. And then we said, okay, which is 10. Okay, we'll take the transport minister designated. When we were done, we now saw many nominees on the corridor. And apparently all of them had letters. I asked Chairman, are you aware? Say, leader, I'm not aware. So why didn't the clerk stop them? And that resulted in that confusion. The next morning, in the morning around 8 o'clock, I was in the office. We had a caucus meeting. Honorable Defeamekpo called my chief whip that the chair of the committee wants us to have a meeting. Soon after Defeamekpo's call, Honorable Ayerega, the majority leader, called me. The leader, where are you? I said, I'm in my office. He said, look, I'm coming over. I want us to have a meeting so that we can have a smooth takeoff. I said, no problem. So we were sitting down in the office waiting for Ayerega to come. And we saw on the screen that Akano was taking an
Jenny or woman as we give you this year, where foot about on Pesua saw where ye can defua would the MPP domonim or Brasvig him lawyer Alexander Afenoma Kinena yet in game.
And I know fear that you try more no what a crowd never on Womas was Santimero 2 to 2 year what so me no. Wabana for not hill confornochi project here. What I shall so a fear chair more Ghana man seeing na be unfamua one so and one hypocrite sans second for not chenwa. Yako down there nyina kwaja hwe dan wankasa so yade entianya bi emfamoa na anano fiada kwa hono hwe se na dwumade ne pompon so akwakodru eye face 1 no na emu anika na afe na sa akono yie pa san se bra wokodru ye na wo se ne won mo se bi asiesie wafa afei adehye bi a won mo dawo se ne omu se bi boje so epa se won na nakora ba chia no na emu anika na anoka obi ama santeman watumfo hia hene nana professor wahene ba boache agye wo wahene ye otoso mienu wono gina santemero anamu ekasa ya wona nsemtwefo edi nkomose
nti ade abelu ya ade aso nipa ai jidi se di aka no se amanfo nyina abeboa na sika ya hwe no ebitimi di aye di aka ni na konfano che da aka ni nyina ba ti se die na eba bi hu no nti we die obi obeti sankre bia no omomodina se obi kapre ni simpoa ade ababeboa ni timi aye aka bomu ameni nyina ba bi peye kwa se block bia 4 floors ade aye mienu enam se ayare sabia nti ayare for da ho nti wentimi ka so ye ni nyina prekope nti ye bi ko bi fufuro ma so hoda ho ayetimi aye so nti wo mo from no enso bako be edi wo mo free asuro ko ye no aba it is a form ho enso ada ho yetimi aye from mo mienu na aka no nti enyense da ho kwa ye ni nyina abu o se yi nipa no eko be edi yetimi aye ese na nkege wo hospital fufu bi ka ekwanda ho na nkege wo makwa enka ma ahwada ho yetimi aye nkrakope ese de aye na ma ye hunu se de bisi aye no nti se ye koso no enche bia se ho beda ho a se nya at least nya example abu no ka se template bitimi aye no wa bitimi ye ni nya se ka se ye report to de ni many people ka ho no nti ba duty ni na ye fia yetimi ye ni ma na ba the big so shall component to say a public hospital. You said they are and so then you swing see who can see KCBR and course. How to force it to be the 2 was the 2 see the say when you meet me. Why but the woman and none Massinia Santimani Gamma will be a boy. Indeed, no pressure public hospital, and so yeah, if you can say you need to abass about the young about the boy, you better to chance on the Bababoa, it's me. I mean, I say, Homeboy, and you, yes, guy, to be me. In Senior can be a more, so saying I said, we are in a way, higher than the Baba. And she said, say to me, boy, in a Baba.
Samia Dubuache, one of the first Aquanian Soba Santimera, Basu Papa, I were to watch a Shonkua, why am I Santi and a Ghana mine.
Anyone in the center project, you bet me. I said, in about a fit, 2 for behind Prebem and Sass and 9. A child sending an ECD project. BBA was supporting and Paibomu, Sikafum, Yadamasi, but a man of Yaka and a doors. Yaka and a doors. Yes, you have $10 million. Yako in a project, no scope, expandana, expanding. But Munkai said, a D in Fisha, Porpori, a doorso, and son of renovation, we say a possible. It's BBA, a deco. One of the things I'm technical guys, they can say, Chairman. So one passes can yana say 1 block when the bit me I na year you find us 1 block but you GDA say a buy bebo the GDA say ankwan bebo the GDA say adwumaku akodo bebo sorry muslimi ekwo mu nyina beba am yetini iden aye konfo no che so man ni betum kon a nyina ban kon aso ejina menu mi enu so so man be ya na free menu tie ni say betumi iden aye ye boy about your ho abaso say what the Bible say nsia enya opepepe $4 million. $4 million here akɔ anim paa nkura wɔm ne sɛ yɛaka ne dɔɔso nti yɛwɔ as much as about $8 million plus to raise sɛ wɔsi yɛ contractor ka kyerɛ sɛ hospital yɛ nkyɛn ɔbɛyɛ ne nyinaa so ɔsi ɛnkyɛn ɔbɛyɛ ne nyinaa fully air condition ɛnyɛ asɛnketewa wɔyɛ sika ne deɛ bɔ mpa yɛ sɛ mo a mo mma yɛ no momfa ahopoka ɛfa mo
abankyekyɛ mu
after the year the first phase yɛtoa so the second phase.
Tetrano de Mahil Confanochi project. You were some adu watching.
So and I said you see Eddie Sibama Palano. Who is our sent way? One year school Padam Pana. I was on phone for Nina, which I was on television. So I say, a Jalabia war TV men what na what call a social media, and also Facebook, a Sompa 93.1 FM YouTube, a Sompa TV Ghana, walk away when you saw there. And Kalawa Musia Dio, senior high school, yeah. From 1 from today, from 3 from Kitty. Baako so wɔ senior ɛna kyɛ sɛ wɔnya no junior fo a wɔsi ba mo saa no na wɔnya bibia mfa mo wɔ nom sɛ kotokuro do baranta yi bi ɛna wɔatwe no wɔdane ne nkyɛn mu saa ɛna kyɛ sɛ wɔde esi ba mo nom si bamtoro tie ɛna mo ka sɛ yate sɛ mpanimfo a wɔda Accra Academy Senior High School na no ɛde akwala no akɔ akɔma polisifoɔ ɛwɔ nkrapumpene mantam ma wɔma so mu a mfifimu ɛsɛfata bia ɛkɔ so wɔ asɛm yi ho yate sɛ nipa pii no a ɛna ɛkasa editia saa deɛ ne sɛ ɔman no ɛka ho bi suatra yɛpɛ sɛ yɛsuatra ma ne boro soɔ sɛ na akwadaa yɛ bɔne koraa yɛntimi ntia no wɔ school no ɛka ho bi nɛnɛ yɛba bɛduru baabi a yɛduru bi sɛ bible no koraa no a yɛse yɛhwɛ ho de abɔ bra no ɛka kyerɛ sɛ sɛ bi gyimi ɛba ata akwadaa no akoma ho na tene so abaa na ade atea no yɛnkɔ ɔma no so ne yɛne ɔpani William Boadi nkɔdi nkɔmmɔ ɔyɛ obi a wabene yie paa ɛba ne nwoma sua ho nsɛnsɛm a wɔyɛ pani kwankyerɛfo a wɔda Educate Africa Institute ano mame no nkɔdi nkɔmmɔ na musa ne sɛ adeɛ wei n'ani atwa so anaa na n'ani atwa so a ohu ne sɛ ni ɔpani yɛmo aha mo afehyia pa afi yɛne ɛdi nkɔmmɔ
afi nkɔmmɛsan yɛ ho ɛnokorɛ
na gyima di sɛ wo ho yɛ so so
ɛnɛ yɛ sia nora
yɛdɛwurade ase na gyima di sɛ mfoni yi a ɛtwa gua free weekend yi ɛde bɛsi ɛnɛ dwoe w'ani atwa bi so woka ne sɛe saa deɛ wei a yɛhunu wɔ secondary schools yi woka ne sɛe Accra hɔ no a na yɛhu baako bi a Orally Senior High School wɔtwe sɛ kan wurudu ɛde kɔwura a ne nua student yam ɛne team wɔkɔ ɛne aba bɛduru baabi a yɛduru woka ne sɛe
yo mamentia ahwɛfoɔ ne atiefoɔ me nua yɛkɔndɛme deɛ ɛkɔ so no na adeɛ baako a yɛ nyinaa na ase yɛ ne afiri so a masade wo nso no ɛkɔ so no ɛne sɛ mmɔfra no a ɛdi sɛ adwuma no me nua anyɛ bia na ɔmo firi fie o ansa na ɔmo kɔ sukuu mu hɔ ɛyɛ awofoɔ bi na ɛwɔ wɔm ɛtete wɔm ansa na ɔmo ani aduru bi a ɔmo adu no nti awofoɔ na ɔmo wɔm tete papa bɛpa na ɔmo de ma wɔm nso so what aseɛ we are to get involved because decision making is not a one man show hwɛ yɛn nyinaa yɛ so ban ka ho bi yɛ so ban kakra na yɛ da na de wɔ mfiefie mu yɛn communities mu nsɔrensɔre yɛn nnwuma mu no ɛno ɛne yɛhu no wɔ Facebook hɔ no a mmɔfra ne da na di no ɔbɛrima te sika ware wɔ baa debia na tim na akwadaa te ne ɔmo nkyɛn wɔ hɔ journalist at the concert in a Juma. Can I say party supporters say, or more auntie or no? Can I say, the work can one come out dream home to near some bura or copono. Can the Mofrano F. So what I say, a Mofrano Facebook on a other platforms na kono almost almost could be. Yakotuaba Ayi and Pennyforce, they are the refined leaders. And woman conquer some riot from my civil of Fono. Omwa do and I, yes, some carefully, as I let you beams on me, committee members, Oman Penia Bo, BDS or Mama Minister, and to Omonto Nano, no more so, a fan could have the good table, so say, microphones, and Mofano almost over. Now, you have to attend to the actually is shady a new monanti. It is so by now, ye that let no number of fan repeat my ear. St. Augustine, then is here. Senior so junior, it is what they bought bed because who's a bed near meta and junior need to bar a banner. Now, junior banner back, I need to say, my family more bed in the umpra. As on my yatnasi, the patrol, and Mofana 86 man, Omon Casoriana.
Omuka, sorry, cause Sunday school,
you went to message Ben Omuka Romunaye. Attitude Ben a year, a quasor, ye pomba, sorry, ye done it with fee. Minia, we are to get involved. If we are blaming, let's blame ourselves. We shouldn't forget, say, and Colanomonia and a queue of Fias on Muku school. Man, Cassan and Colani and Colabone, let's go back. 2020, what did we witness in the country? Akola control first was the exam. Or see, papers night at the moment we answer. And so much escape home teacher, echo straight to the president, ADD president at him. Nasa and one, Chiana, and more Freddy Pabon to be the man penny at him. And Diminia, so by now, I done a dinner of Fanny Chia. We should develop a positive attitude and behave well when we are with them. I think they will also emulate something good from us.
Obisuba can say a kefiasem suku asem ya say yes ya police for bem oma handi akwala no over de ama police for mfifimu ni ade ade ekosoi nke beka ne say ja akwala asem de o se kokodru sa baby adru ya na de na office say ene yenye emfa ho
minia a criminal issue ade na ye hu ne sa no se wutimi fa sekan e de bo nyonko te sa ba e ba ne se nka akra ba ko antimi anye we no or ye ne sa si na sekan dane ne e kan ne sa na ka ye betwa obi nsat form
no correct
because we have the energy akra ni kura or de sekan ne bo ne nyonko a wonim se ade e kura me nya belt enya ba ne mo me sekan e bitimi ka ne pra no enti yes police for na de mo because teacher for no ade some of them are police for Ghana Education Service say we teacher ni anu kwa so betia akola awaya ade nye na waya ade a bro so kra po no twiro krat abra office na office for na muni class mo na nche de so de akola no enti teacher ni so be bona ho na duma ho ban na onkobo akola na o post school akola na nkotete no kwa so fa bo bi nkobo nani because they see o afrancho no yes, I never restore teacher any amano. It is a Ghana police on hand over them home. Now, who will be some could be uncle Casamon treating me banny. I think they took the right action.
And I say me a teacher any and answer bia me a headmaster na me da secondary school anoa. A man for say Sanyama way ebia Accra Academy de na pia bontia me yehu no social media no so ye nyina ye ko wontintini ye ka bi yes ye wo mo ho e secondary schools ho no mo nti yenye de ne yenye obia as batan as mpanimfo ye hwe ngomasua so as oman ene aban yenye de
Educate Africa Institute there yen ya sha say that ye sha say 2019 a nationwide attitudinal change seminar. Last year, dear no new Abram Senior High School, and it was impactful. I will urge everybody say we should start preaching attitudinal change, and take up human responsibility. Nyamebe no. Edu baby o si hu se nipa so rubi so play wa abom ni asetene mo. We nyam paebo kasa kire entreche no seti e na wo se ye. So ati ase.
Matias.
Radio so TV so yem koso nya sa de no. Yema wofu hu se se wonye krado a enye obi a wawo na ye friend wofu no obi watimi awa kwala tete ne ye e okwa papa so so what you say
no correct
untimi ko wa kwala mawi as normal ma ye a burden to the whole nation and a risk and a threat to somebody's life akwala ono akọ school na nusa di so or to so be ni defo ɛyɛ dwuma papa no obi nso so ba bɔ ne ti ɔde sekan ɛbro no na namia a mafie na sɛ sekan da ne kutwa ne sa no akɔkɔyɛ nsasini we ɛyɛ ade papa it me the mesere we need to delve into it sa 2017 emre bi na de ba be cheche teacherfo nsa gu o mati sɛ ɔmo nu nkwan so me pan hye mo from kom ya de ade enye no ye ntena se bi me review enye teacher ni bia ho ho a anaye ne de sɛ obetama abade abo akola bi o me ko a akola ne nye hwe
okay Mr. Body mame na wase ajankomo ya fe ne ya hya se edu ba bi ne ye besa so ahia obie wa ye bebo opunum nyame nhira opa no wada agye awie yi
me nu amesom da se Ghana first
yo abzanfo we your penny William Body ne na akwa akodi nkomo no yo bi a wabene pa ewo ngoma suam sa so ye penny kwanchefo a woda Educate Africa Institute ano
I was your 21st clinic and I come for the amount of corner show up home there for free sans Siataka Yadiano. One to a see papa Paoko Kumasia. Uber whom were shown overseas junction of what second quarters. Quakra water market, Sunyan and Crans at Chiman, and the branches in K 0540 311311. Cloud internet in here. The fastest internet in the world. Open internet papa and what jaw na a don't 24/7 Sebejinasua. I cloud internet to top high. One love FM na edi enhwanimu 0202 699 110 0202 699 110 through herbal center the three core capsules aba ekoko masitadru usisi ukoko anaso wayem timwo no fakwa three herbal center nche na busua ekoto three core capsules ni bi sansa ya dupa ya ebetumi aboawo kwalena keba dan heba mistia na sepidank 0546 107 107 Express Group is what all Canada, US, UK, Holland, Australia, New Zealand, Germany, and now baby ya paso to Kwakobiano. Express Adarment what Obako, Kumasa Shawamu as a flavor runabout Accra, or Karashi First Light 0249 000448 and Namizo and 5G so can we in sway 99 home Rossisia.
21st clinic yes Siataka expert Siataka no nurse na wo to asane na fa wosremu na fa wona sia bisia kono se ho chichima no ene fa Siataka na etimi bu to asane ka wo se wosrem woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic fa ye dwuma pa wo mu ye ntiapa magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya semketua wo mu international awards wo mu local awards na no so na wo mu bie the only Siataka research and treatment center in Africa bipano ebi bia first clinic kwa wo mu bia bidro ene be so ya no sa machine aka ho ya sabia ya bia wuti ko ne mo ma de kwa wo ma gidi wo mu pa no Siataka ena stroke wo de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ba bia wo mu ho.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumadi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hieye pa enye prekasa nko nuaba ne ahaban bi te se kwunsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekwa animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaba bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye de aye prekasa powder siesi nipadua na aba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkunate de ma baako freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkunate de ma baako woni nsuhie yeti anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie ubenya prekasa powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumase Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal ne Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong etufo mfre 0550 19 15-14 prekasa powder aduane san yadro FD ahwehwe sankratu mu agi atum
sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochu Kwaku, afei na mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, any member connection man for the Kofosi Kedran in when you're trading Musano.
Oh, Express Group Adarumenti, according to IF4. Opeso to Kwankosiandia. Express Group do beko mind me to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say a tour and as a visit in Swa. Express Group do beko Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Moamu peso to Kwankoye Jumansu, obet midowako Dubai, Qatar, and as South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You shall mention a Kwai Kumasi as a labor runabout Hwa, Accra and so Omo Carnation First Light, Tama Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. For more Ahumacho for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Sompa TV, Emma Akitiapa.
Amakatiapa was said and was so now your quab was a group when one were then chai. And Anglo Ashanti, I tell you, some Mabunabia Kobo Rabia. Womudu Mujuma Maria Chirino, a tutu aqua so a manipabas and Conodie. One more chin and animal hour and see a do. Now, if you want to bumble for you, one more family dear rain. Sir, be able to me at a Dina Fay, and Jumaya to me as an so aquasubium. Now, and now Crobby and also a boissy one more. Your friend said Bensere, Cray moon, Mabunu, any other share your womo. I can have one bomb, are you a yachara pie and yas and get to a man. Woman dear tia Anglo Goda Shantis, and none than your course or no. Woman bo and you so. Now, and your nunco. Woman say Anglo Gold, I had dama would draw me and sa. Yea, none of woman the chemicals, I would draw you on the road go to no a gumwa, Yamianimni, I'll say one monsieur, a man net woman monsieur Corano, and one monsieur sans a yadia beer. I shall say ye won't tear any two honomono, and no aya day at the Amawomo. I can't be a macroma phone and some trough in coma. One more snapping for some mum, Sansania Cacono, Anglo Good for Aya Domusakain.
Company be a friend of Anglo Asante, AG, in Juma Bibo, Yamantemase. Na yɛne yɛba amantɛm ase ne yɛba na dam bia sɛ nia sɛsi a mene mo ka sɛ yi ɔmo de baako abɛtum akyi ya 4 years ni ɔmo sɛ yɛ extension na extension ɔmo yɛ no ɛne me dan no one plot kora enru ɛma ɔhawa yɛnem wɔ kurom ano yɛhu menua commission foɔ kyɛ sɛ mpanifoɔ bia ɛsɛ sɛ yɛhu ɔmo ɛmo mo ba adeɛ mu bia no ofro mo a ɔmo ma na deɛ ɛha kora ɛhye yɛ kora ne sɛ sɛsi a yɛn mo ka sɛ yi yareɛ Adam yi dia brɛ no anu ɔden esi awo abosa afra ne ayɛkɔ
ansana yanom ebenum mpo kra tese enu nsuo na ansana yanom ansa yekodwale mpo ade de deto ne de dwale wan fa deto na nsuo sa dwale a wona mbeke kausa mpo ancha ya o mu wuwu ebiso mu kwawe ahaban na chemicals fruit nso ebedua nso a no so ye chemicals bibia ye chemicals
AGF abibifo ne omu ya soan pa omu pese ye nwu omu ya soan pa die nwu ansa abrofo ne pese omu boa ye eso abibifo ne omu abrofo ne ade asam ne base pa na abibifo na boagwe
etibi nsiri krodua mu na amane a ye hunu ye ntimi nti ye gadi mu kontomle ni yentimi nti bedrundi o ma chotoro nyina sema me yenti ni enso ye de no aduane ya chemicals nkwa ya run ya 6 months enie entwa me ko hospital me ko ye ni nyina ya se dam kulo ya ka kula o mo boye mfita dugu ejiefo na ya mo adwen se o mu fie o mbesi ewuwu na o mu fa kulo no enso nyankopon tia se sere o mu se ene ye mpo mu pocho ya po mu cha na ya mo de apo mu cha ya bre o mu so mu so mu nya o mu dam no ye be gum bola ye be nie gum ye be Tuso me de pad bagum ya ka chiro mo so so matimi yanti obi adukwa yeso yatim ya frame ata esi a wo fo wo krom hanom we ye ba ata na wo wuzi sie ya wo ma e de wo hawo na ebre wo ma obu ho na ne nsa ne nan ne yefunu ne ti wo hu ba bi efre na emframa bone ye home ne wo ekura yi mu no e no ma ka e so mo nte ye kana se
bi si no mo di ka be tu dam ne bi wo e ya abontim ho park ne so e nipa me enu osamiansa ene to mu wuye ni nyina ese ejie no wantimi anka ho hwe ene o masade aben ye mfitire ye kwanya no omu betu bi wa ha first one dey omu tu ye no edi ewa ene bre ye dwade ne ho ye hene ye num nsu a na ye bowa ye wa abema kitu 3 days no on don so da ye de ne ko eji ye pipers ne da ho yes ai wa mo si baby a wodi agro nsu a ye nom akora ne 10 years o se onya fa
obo asikropo mu ane ate wo mon kan
Abzanfo yento aso na yemfamo enko na nanma tena nkunya wo na so yedemo kobuno is mantem no mo na bono is regional house of chiefs so na dia desreto abamu mpedimfo ne mu se yemrante ne yembaba wa ne wiesu yapon anase omuko omusuku wie na omo eba besomo man no a yefe ne se national service no besre mpedimfo senke free na ekode yensese yensa kakra na nkamrante ne maba wa yebepeso mbekwa national service no yemfa dodo no a enko wurakua yom na timi aboa emomai yekuya yo ehun sensem atu empone na owusu sechia otoso miensa and yetitire ne a odabuno is regional house of chiefs ano ensem ode to dwa ani
sese krona nyini e wo buno isia babi bebre nkanie ni ho nti yebesre energy minister na yasre ye nuamba na wakachi nukru na waboye ama yenkania no atimi akoba bia ese na fata eye new region abanya aba kono oye bi maye ko dating council wo wieye nananu chieftaincy sese babia ye meeting kura no obi office na yasra ye meeting eno so dan no o ma hyase a o mu wieye Ghana bunu is interchange yeni bi ba bia wo bunu isia tu yesre mampanyin mfie na ya yedi amani ebebi so be fira ban mu na yanya interchange ba ko e wo ye bunu isia ye ba se asre no bio yeni siapon bia e wo bunu isia nananu wa asase tama wa ba sanya asase bia o pe bia no ye betumi e di amana na wo di amaye university
Abzanfonti weye nana owusu sechia otoso miensa president ya odabuno is regional house of chiefs ku no ano no na eno akire na amanhene e wo amantene tuabodom soso ede bi esoso
SSA TV sanhwe bi de media kan baby ya wa obeye juma pa sanse se travel head e ba wo direct ya na to so ni sai kita ko bi dada na babi su ya fa ahunti bi abakoso bi azo go ni ikodiedie mu kase ampa betime ya na se nipa yi oye na anoni ana onye na anoni nti kakra de best can house say obey say e a form design ni ya be na ye more dynamic na it be accommodate several scenarios because media to say sense zoko ikine ye te say already to me amana yini mrebe ka zo ngwasem sense kasa pa ye nti the sense no pra I feel that's why no direct say owie bibia ona say onum say zoko phone na say wo na ma ono so akwa ma say abere o so ye di say because of that no say me maria sa letters no I don't know omo famra palm chiefs no streets no anymore so actually
Abzanfonti weye nananu amanhene a wo mo ewa manten ene tuabodom na bunu is regional house of chiefs so masetena wono mo koye dika fi mu no wono mo ebobonsam so de ato abemu mpanimfo animu no
Arawo sambia si ewo kunso de banyame adom abusua enkra no etresa sprinter bia na registration number area AC 1092-17 na wo bintumi ehunu abusua kwa potere ye fa so no mafo kyeresa ebra na wo ne apasenjafo binum ba abasen no ana anwea bia wo mo de aba besum kwanim minim se no wo mo de baba ye adwuma so mo de be ye de yo sprinter na ehunu ana okobo mu ayakase no nipa ba kwa hwe ne nkwan mu nso wo mo so prapra mu odin pa ye kwa ma no so na ye ne amade boni ebeneza o so asa akodi asem nkomo ebe ma han
hello
ben what make ama ha
mejo sakosia
boy mu ara wasam no eba ne say
medasi car no registration number AC 1092-17 car wono walodu free Kumasi a wode nani tiremu e wo yoso na ofri kunsu a wode nani tiremu nyame adom kwantepɔ no so no Official construction ye kwan so adwumanti wo mayiyi anatie ne bi de agu kwan so se gutters a wo kwan so nyina no mo de ye ne kakran etu wo mahipu ne ketwa sa de gu kwan no sa na obi hu de ekoye driver ni free duplicate center oba no e na otimi de kofuru anwe asese mi no kata sese no wo de furu anwe na pepepe no e na wo de ko wura gutter ba ko so na ebe anwe na pepepe enu ti kan hu bi ma car ne ebu fa so atoyem hona no driver ni anu wo twisen no eto anananom wonse do wan kan ji kwa yeto so mienu nipa nsusu bako enso a na omo nsusu ewo kan no mu bi nsusu no pre mu ode part sam no kase no ye do ma ba be piem wo mankan so abanya resabia wo mu gya yarehwe eti sam no kase akoso a enipa nso no de wo mu nyina egu mankan so abanya resabia ma wo mu hwe wo mu driver ni anu wo twisen na wo no nsusu ede ko no so ya de se watumi ato anananom wonse do kra wa wan kaji e wo ho ti se sam no kase de ahomete sam e na aba omanfo bi dum a omuwo pesuano so no e de wo ahina je e ka sam e wo sam pesuano so
just say ya no panyimfo hyase se won mutu anamo se ne be na anwea na egu no won be yi afiri ho ana
Bedasi how ade rukwa na chese akoso wunhu de Kofijo construction no wo ye wo kwan no so e na no aba betu anwea de agu kwan no so e tena no aba be yi afiri ho eti sesi ade mi o yedim da pote a de obetuma aba be yi sa anwea na de afiri ho wo yi agu kwan no so bebre a wo mu ye gates a eti kopem se wo mbe wie gates no de akoso yenya hu da pote a oba aba be yi sa afrense anwea na de afiri kwan no so e no na agi omanfo bi mu awu a sesi a driver ni ya to ahwede no nkwan a enipa nso so apre eti ebesere Kofijo obu se obeyi sa nneoma ni nyina furo se de be ya obu susu no betimi driver fo a wo mu edi kwan so akobedie no susu betimi anya asomdie no betwe ehyen no e wa